The next step we're working on is putting on that cover onto that fan. So putting the fan cover on. Taking a peek over here, I should have 5 small self-cutting flange bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set you up over here. Again, we're setting our torque wrench up. These are 6 millimeters, so we're setting our torque wrench up at 98 foot-pound or inch-pounds. Not 98 foot-pounds, that'd be terrible. Putting the cover over the top. Kind of rattles around. Your high tension cable, there's a little V-notch right here that your high tension cable comes out of. And I can see my 5 spots. One, 2, one over by the switch, one right by your throttle lever. One right below your carb over here. That's number 3. Again, should be nice and easy. I'm going to actually loosen these 2 up a little bit. This cover sometimes moves a little bit. I don't have a partner again, but you do, so one can hold while the other one does this. 4. And the last is 5 underneath here. This one I might need to hold that cover up a little bit to get it started. Pop the socket off. Grab my torque wrench. Double check to make sure I'm at 98. In case you didn't know, that's 98 is a great year to graduate in. I could already feel I had to put more than one little thumb pressure on it. 100. And mine are feeling like they're getting stripped out. So instead of going 98 here, we're actually going to go to 58. Let's go to 58. So I'm going to go to 60. Because this is just a cover, and we don't have to worry about it too much. 58. 58. 58. See, that one I can't get to torque. That's because it was stripped. So that one needs a helicoil. And you should be able to see the valves working, and you should be able to pull this without any problem at all. And that is the cover.